Hello everybody, mokuna welcome back to my channel. If this na the first time wey you dey jam my channel, welcome. Today I wan show you how to make one ogbonge swallow wey be like corn fufu or tuwo masara, and also na just like cousin of semovita. So if you like semo well and your money no catch am, this na good alternative. They call am corn food. So wetin you need to make am, you need 1 cup of cassava flour, not be cassava starch, cassava flour, see as e be. And you need 2 cups of corn flour too, see as the corn flour be. So we'll just mix them together. You fit use dried corn and dried cassava, but since I get the one where they don't grind, I go just pour all of them inside bag and mix them together. Shake them, mix them together so that everything go mix well. They go become one before I go use them. So see as e be now, there's no difference. They don't become one, they don't mix well. To make the corn food, I go measure 2 cups of the flour. So I don't want to use all of them because it go too much for my family, so I go save the remaining one for another time. So I go come start to add water. This na 4 cups of water. I go dey add the water gradually till e don reach how e supposed to be. So just follow me, dey look the way they mix the thing gradually. Then when e don reach, I go tell you how e supposed to look like. Normally una know say when people wan make any form of swallow, they go first boil water. The water go boil before they start to dey pour the flour inside. But the reason why they do am this way na because of the problem wey people dey fear when they dey make fufu or any form of swallow, the seed. Nobody like seed. So the easiest way to make fufu wey be say seed no go dey, this na the easy way. No magu, no koro waka, just straightforward. E no go be like say wey you dey fear say you wan go write waec on top swallow or fufu head. And also the amount of water wey you go use for here go determine whether your fufu or your swallow go dey strong or soft. So I don mix am finish. This na wetin I want, so I use 3.5 cups of water. After I don make am finish, you go see whether e too soft or strong for you. That means you go add more water or reduce water for this stage. And don't forget to boil water for corner wey be say you go use later. So I go just put the thing on top stove now on medium heat. I go just start to dey turn the thing. Na be the only thing wey you go dey do, just dey turn am. You go heat up, you go come start to dey cook, just dey turn the thing. See, the thing no go get seed. They no burn seed well for seed to form for this thing, except to leave am comot. I never ever leave am comot, so I no know whether seed go form. But as long as you dey turn am, they never burn the seed wey go form. So the making of this swallow na one long and continuous process of doing the same thing over and over. And I no wan cut the thing because if I cut am, una go miss so many stages of how the thing take reach where e dey. So I want make una see everything. So the only thing wey be say I go do, I go just fasten it so that una go see the process, una go see the thing clearly, but the thing go dey faster, so that una no go dey tired to dey look the same thing over and over again. I just want make una see how the thing take change reach when I start to add water and all those things. I hope una notice say the thing don start to dey change. The thing no be as e be for the beginning. So we go continue until we reach the promised land. So my brothers and sisters, if this na the first time wey you dey jam my channel, or you don dey use corner eye dey look my videos before and you never subscribe to my channel, abeg, na God I take beg you, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button, that button wey be red, click am. And that other bell wey dey ring, click that one too. Na that one go tell you whenever I post videos so that you go come watch am. Trust me, I dey really dey drop correct video. And make you not forget to share the video, gather your friends say make dem come watch. To subscribe na free, to watch na free, so no be hard thing. Thank you. Na God go bless una, continue to full una pocket with money. I also dey for Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I even get website. So whichever one dey easy for you, just do am. Thank you and God bless you. So back to the fufu. I think una see say the thing don change. E don dey solid. E don dey wan be like a semovita. See am. Una dey see seed for anywhere. I tell una, seed can never form. So I don dey cook am for about 10 minutes. See as e don solid like this. So I go add some hot water. Remember the water wey dey boil since? I go add some now. Because now e never done. E look solid but e never done. Cassava dey inside, so we have to cook the thing well well. So I just dey open the thing well, spread am well so that the thing go cook enter everywhere. I go cover and cook am for about 5 minutes before I come back and start to dey turn am. So after 5 minutes, I go come back again, come start to turn am so that everything go mix well well, because some parts no go done reach some part. So I go mix am. Una dey see the face, so the thing don change. E don start to dey draw. You know say the starch don cook, because when starch don cook, na draw e go dey draw. I think una see am. See as e dey draw. Make una also look the thing well well. Una dey see any seed inside, any lump dey inside? I tell una, dem never burn the seed wey go form. No lump at all. Lump free. See as e soft, smooth. See as e dey do lebe. Hey God ooo. As you see the thing sef, I never cook am finish. I go still add some more water, cook am for another 5 minutes to make sure say the thing really done well well. And as usual, I go still spread the thing open well well so that the thing go cook through. I'll come cover am and cook am for another 5 minutes. When I come back, the thing go don done. So after 5 minutes, I'll come back again, come turn am. Make una look am. See am, e don done. This no be semovita. Una like semovita well well. This no be semovita. If they tell you say na semovita, you no go believe. See as e dey draw. The cassava don done. See am, and e dey smell like semo. No difference. If this na something wey be say you dey interested in adding to your family diet and you wan make plenty, get like 1 basket of or mudu of dried cassava, 2 baskets or mudu of dried corn, grind them together, mix them, and you don get your flour wey you take dey make your own corn food or local semo. So while I dey wrap the fufu, make I use this time hail and throway salute to everybody wey be say e don subscribe to my channel. Una be correct people. After una na una again. Thank you so much. I love una from the bottom of my heart. Now God go continue to dey bless una. I remember the first time wey be say I eat this corn food. Now somebody can't tell us about it. We no even know sef. Can't tell us say grind cassava and corn like together like this. See the ratio wey they use. Now we try am, but we can't make am. Hey God. We say so person fit dey make semo by itself. Now we start to dey make the semo. See, the thing dey affordable. I'm telling you, e dey affordable. Your family go enjoy it. If you don tire to eat eba, this na another way. You no wan eat pounded yam, this na another way to enjoy any soup. But in case you just dey think for your mind say I just dey here dey run my mouth, make I show you as e be. See am. Wetin the thing dey shout? Semo. Hey God ooo. Na semovita you dey eat ooo. So in case you don dey tired of eating eba every time, why you not give this swallow a try? I promise you and your family go enjoy am. I don even show you how to make am wey be say seed no go dey. Very easy. So my brothers and sisters, thank you for watching the video. May God continue to bless una and continue to keep una kampe until I jam una again. Bye bye yo.